Hello guys, and welcome back. So in today new episode I'm just going to try to change a tap, and here we go. This is the tap that I need to change. It is leaking, it is old, and it's not doing the job anymore. Now I already bought this one, which is quite similar to that one. It's a bit smaller, but probably is still going to do the job. And yeah, I already closed all the water supply, hot and cold, so I believe I am ready to work on it. So if you want to know how to change a tap, stick around and I'm going to show you how. Alright guys, so first step, we just need to go under the sink and disconnect the hot and the cold. Now they are already closed down, and as you can see we have two flexibles that are going up there to the other flexibles that are coming from the tap. So we can disconnect that from here or from there. It's not going to make any difference anyway. The flexibles that are going to come with the tap are going to be quite short, so we will need to use these anyway. So I will just want to disconnect them from down here because it's going to be easier. Now I'm just going to put some paper around here because probably is going to be some water on the pipe and it's just going to make everything wet. So let's do this. And that's one. We have one more here. So alright, we just have to go at the back of the sink and take these bolts out. I already unloosened them, and are these bad boys, and that is done. I already done it even from the other side. I have the bolt here. Now we just have to pull the tap out. And finally, success. We have our tap here, and now it's out and ready to replace. So right now I'm trying to put the new tap all together, assemble everything. Now these are the flexibles that are coming already with the tap in the box, and we have some rubber washers here, and we just have to put them inside those two holes there. And that's it. Just with your hands, you don't need any special tools, nothing. I'm just going to attach even the old flexibles because these are not going to be long enough. And same, you have a rubber washer inside here, and I'm just going to screw them in. You can also put some Teflon tape on, but when usually you have that rubber washer in, there is no need. But always, if you want to make sure, it's always good to put some of that tape in. Now I'm not going to tighten them up too much because you might cut the rubber washer that is inside. So alright, that's done. We just need to put it back now. And we need to use these bolts also. These are the fixings that are coming also with the tap. Now this rubber washer is going to go right here inside. And this is just going to stay on the top of the sink, and that is going to be at the bottom of the sink, and it's just going to close it down like that with these bolts here. These bolts are going to go right in here. I don't know how much you can see because it's kind of a awkward place for the camera. Okay, so we have the other one. This rubber washer is going to go right here from underneath, and then this washer here, and that is going to hold everything together. Alright, so as you can see, I put everything together. It's already on. You can put these from underneath, but sometimes you are going to go crazy, so I'm just going to try to put it through the hole. Let's see if we can. Okay, so the flexibles are in. And everything now it's in. This is the easiest way to put them in because you're always going to have problems underneath when screwing these bolts in. So it can go right from the top on most of the sinks. Now I will just have to tighten them up. Alright, so make sure that the tap is nice and straight, and now we'll just need to do the connections down here. Alright, so it seems that there's something inside here. Look, a piece of stone. Alright, nice and clean. Left is going to be the hot water. Make sure that the washer is in, which is not. Okay, so hot is going to go on the left side and cold on the right side. Make sure that the rubber washers are in. I'm going to put a new one. Everything is done. We just need to put the hot and the cold on. Now we just need to check for leaks. Now everything looks fine. And finally we have water. Alright guys, so you saw it's not the end of the world on changing a tap. It's quite simple. Sometimes it's a bit more difficult because of the spaces. You don't have enough space sometimes to put any tool at the back of the sink, and that is going to take a little bit of time and is going to be a little bit of headache. But the principle, it's all here. It's all that hot and cold. If you have the shutout valves, close them before. If not, you are going to have to close down the main water supply. And here we go. Now we have a brand new tap, and hopefully it's going to last for another 4 or 5 years. The last time probably it was installed for about 7-8 years. It started to leak, so there wasn't any point on repairing that one. Here we go. This is the old one. This is the filter that it was before installed here. Let me see if I can get out this filter right here. Okay, this filter is coming with the tap, and I'm going to replace it with the old one. Well, here it seems that everything is working fine, and this is the end of my quick guide on how to install sink tap. And at this point, if this video is going to help you in any way, don't forget to leave a comment down below this video, and why not squeeze that like button, and see you on the next one. See you soon.